Welcome in, Michael Murray with Vin Singh, joined here by Vin Singh, the founder and CEO of BullFrog AI. Vin, it's great to have you with us this morning. How are you?
Great to be here, Michael. Thank you.
Pleasure to have you and BullFrog joining us. Let's get started with a quick overview of your company. What does BullFrog AI do?
We're an AI-enabled drug development company. Our mission is to revolutionize drug development. We have a proprietary AI. Actually, we have multiple platforms. We do have one from the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Lab. And really, our focus is to reduce the time and cost and increase success rates in drug development.
Can you talk to us a little bit more about bfLEAP? How exactly does that work?
So bfLEAP is our proprietary platform from the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Lab. We have worldwide exclusive license to this platform. This platform has been successfully used in different sectors by Johns Hopkins APL. Our focus is drug development. It has an amazing ability to predict targets of interest, find patterns, relationships, anomalies in large, complex data sets. And when it comes to clinical data, real-world data, those are very large, complex data sets. So it's an ideal tool to solve the problems that exist in the development of drugs.
Excellent. And Vin, what is missing in drug development that AI can provide on a more general basis?
Well, what's missing is there's a lot of data out there that's been collected over the years. And it's surprising to learn that even today, Big Pharma spends 10 to 15 years and $1 to $2 billion to develop a drug. And in their final stage of clinical testing or phase 3, they still fail about 50% of the time. So clearly, there's something missing. And what's missing is a tool that can effectively analyze that data and uncover insights and help direct further development of these drugs, help better stratify patients so that we can have more success in clinical trials.
Excellent. And you announced a new preclinical study to evaluate the efficacy of BF114 in obesity. Can you talk to us about the drug specifically and how the study is going to be conducted as we move forward?
Yeah, this is a really exciting opportunity for us. And as you and your listeners may know, obesity is maybe the second hottest topic in the world behind AI. And there have been a lot of massive early stage deals done in the obesity space by Big Pharma. It is a very large market. As we know, obesity is a huge problem in the US and other developed countries. We think it's going to be about $70 billion market plus by the year 2030. So we have a drug that we've licensed from George Washington University. It's an siRNA drug. And this drug is designed to target a particular gene. And we think this will have an impact on obesity. We have some preclinical data to support this hypothesis, not only for obesity, but certain fibrotic liver diseases. What we are going to do now is to kind of continue with that progression and conduct an animal study with Dr. Randy Seeley from the University of Michigan. He's a global expert in preclinical animal studies targeting obesity, and he's well known and respected by Big Pharma. So we have the best person in the world probably to conduct this study for us, and the goal is to really determine the ability of this drug to lead to weight loss in an obese animal model, and also to help us better determine the mechanism of action. Most obesity drugs are focused on appetite suppression. This drug does not appear to have that mechanism of action. It has something different and something very intriguing, and we'll get the answers in about 5 months from now.
Got it. Vin, a final question for you as we close, and thank you for all the context thus far. As you look at the industry in general, where will AI be in 10 years in your estimation?
In 10 years, I think AI will be a integral part of the entire drug development process for pharmaceutical companies, going from discovery all the way to commercialization. We're obviously playing a role in that entire continuum. But I think It'll be something that's fully integrated and adopted by big pharma as well as biotech. They're a little bit slower to adopt these types of technologies, probably mostly related to cost. But I think in 10 years, you will definitely see that. And the end result will be far more success, which will help more patients, which will lead to more affordable drugs. There's less failures out there. And I think overall healthier society.
Wonderful. Vin, it's been an absolute pleasure having you here today. We appreciate you taking time out of your schedule, joining the Benzinga audience, and sharing more about what you're doing and the industry as a whole. Vin Singh, founder and CEO of BullFrog AI, thank you again for being with us.
Thank you. Great to be here.